In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add songs to playlists. Let's walk through the process in a simple and practical way so you can organize your music exactly how you want. Playlists are a great way to group songs by mood, activity, genre, or anything else that makes sense for you. And the good news is that creating one only takes a moment. To get started, open the library section in the app. This is where your saved music, albums, and playlists are usually stored, so it's the right place to begin if you want to build a custom listening collection. Once you're inside library, look for the option that says Create Playlist with a plus sign next to it, then tap it. After that, you'll be prompted to give your playlist a title. Choose a name that helps you recognize it easily later. For example, you might name it something based on a vibe, a time of day, or a specific purpose, like workout music, relaxing songs, or road trip favorites. Once you've entered the title, confirm it so the playlist is created. At this point, your playlist exists, but it's still empty, so the next step is to start adding music to it. Now go to any track you want to include. This can be a song you're currently viewing, one you searched for, or one you found while browsing. On that track, tap the three-dot menu, which usually opens more options related to that song. In the menu that appears, choose Add to Playlist. You'll then see your available playlist. Select the playlist you just created or any existing one you want to use. Once you tap it, the track will be added. That's all there is to it. If you want to keep building your playlist, just repeat the same process with other songs. Go to a track, open the three-dot menu, choose Add to Playlist, and select the playlist. Over time, this helps you create a more personalized music experience and makes it much easier to find the right songs when you need them. A useful tip is to keep your playlist titles clear and specific so they're easy to spot later, especially if you plan to create several different playlists. That can save time and help keep your library organized, and that's how to create a playlist and add tracks to it from your library. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes quick and automatic.